we are here to see new Wi-Fi smart visual camera, Doorbell. Here is the packet. Let's unbox now. Here you can see manual. It's both sides, Chinese and English. And here it's main device, Wi-Fi doorbell. Let's open it. You can see here it's a mount bracket where you can mount on your wall, and this is the main device. And here is Ethernet port, power port, and all connectors. Let's see what's else inside. We have one inside receiver you can mount in your main plug inside your house, so you can get notification when someone's ring the bell. And over here we have some power adapters for main device. It's just normal 3-pin power adapter. We got one extension cable if you want to do mount bracket for conceal the main device with your LAN cable and the power. You can use this one. And we have some screws and utility things. Okay guys, let's see now how it's work and how we can connect with our mobile and home network. First of all, we have to see like what kind of port and what kind of connection we have. Over here we can see there is a one main camera. Over here you can see there is a backlight like for the night vision, and this is a sensor. And this one over here is a speaker, so you can talk with your like while you ring the bell. This is the main bell button, and this is the microphone. Over here we can see SD card slot, so you can just put memory card in it, so you can directly save your photos and videos and everything. And now we can see your back LAN port, main power port, and we can see one reset button over here. And over here we can see network cable switch interface, where you can use this cable to conceal in. And we have one electromagnetic lock port, so we can use with the help of this cable. Okay, now let's start the device. You can see a blue light over here. Now we require a mobile phone to configure it. For application, we have given application over here. It's a 163i for Android and for iOS. So you can just download it from Apple Store and App Store. Okay, we have already downloaded the application. Let's start the application. Let me log out and log in again so you can know how it's work. Over here you can see the main page, and if you are not registered, you just click over here register. You can fill up your details like email ID, password, and repeat the passwords. We already have the account, so we just put the login details and press the login. Okay. So we can see over here, it's the main interface where we can add the camera and remove the camera. Let's start the camera again. You can hear this sound, so it will mean it's in the connection mode. Just we need to select the button, add the button. You can see over here, just add new device. We can get 3 options: Smart Link, AP, and wired. We have to select Smart Link. Okay, it will ask you for your password for your Wi-Fi router. We already did it, so just click next. It will search the device, like you already heard this song. So just click here and it will give you the indication, like you need to put the device like this. So it will get interface with your doorbell. Just click next. It will give you some sound like it's connecting with your router right now. Okay, now it will show you the device ID. It's already mentioned over here. You can see on back side. There is a password mentioned 123. It's a default password. So just enter the password 123 and click OK. You can see over here it's mentioned connect successfully. So just confirm it. Now you can see like our doorbell is already connected with our phone and our network. So you can just mount with wherever you want to mount outside. Now let's test the work, like how it's work. We can mount this one as a receiver for the doorbell. If you don't have your mobile phone around with you and the mobile phone battery not working properly, so you can just mount this one. So it will give you indication if someone pressed the doorbell. You just connect with anywhere in your house. You can see over here it's indication, and over here there is a match button. It's mentioned in manual. If you go, you can't see any indication over here, but you can see over here. Just press the match button to match with your receiver for your doorbell. Sorry. Let's see how it's work. Once if someone press your doorbell, you can get indication on receiver as well as on your mobile. You can see over here. It's like a mobile phone call. You just accept the call. Over here you can see your live feed. So with the help of this application, whenever someone presses your doorbell, and it's no matter like wherever you are, in same country, same city or around the world, you can get notification on your mobile and you can see your live camera outside your doorbell. So it will be easy for everyone. Thank you guys.